Today we're making a Piña Colada ice cream. Bright pineapple, toasted coconut, super creamy, and I'll show you how to keep it smooth and scoopable. Hi, I'm Maria, and on this channel we recreate the foods that we love using better ingredients so that you can enjoy them as part of a healthy and balanced lifestyle. This flavor tastes like vacation in a bowl, but getting that creamy texture takes a little strategy if you don't handle the pineapple properly. So are you ready to come with me and escape? Fresh pineapple is mostly water, so if you throw it in raw, you will get an icy texture. So we cook it down to concentrate the flavor and remove the excess moisture. Chop 1 1/4 cups of pineapple and add it to a saucepan and cook it down about 8 to 10 minutes over medium heat. Lightly mash it as it cooks. If there's any liquid left over, just strain the excess. Less water equals creamier ice cream. Interestingly, pineapple has something called bromelain. It's an enzyme that breaks down proteins. It's great for your gut, but not so good with ice cream texture. This is one of the reasons why we cook it down. Add 1/3 cup shredded coconut to a dry skillet in an even layer. Cook it over medium-low heat and stir frequently. Toast for 3 to 5 minutes until light golden brown and fragrant. Toasting it brings out the oils and flavor. Remove from the pan and we'll set it aside to cool completely. This already smells like summer. For the base, I like to use my blender. It's quick and blends everything nice and smooth. Let's add 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup half and half, 1/2 cup sweetener. This is an allulose blend. 3 tablespoons non-fat milk powder, 2 ounces softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup canned coconut cream. Make sure it's well mixed. This next ingredient is optional, but I like to add about a tablespoon of rum. It gives the real piña colada vibe and helps keep the ice cream a little softer. You can also use vodka, or you can leave it out, but it may affect the texture. Finally, add the pineapple, the grated lime zest, and blend until smooth. You want to give this a good taste. Oh, tastes like a piña colada. It's great. For best results, you'll want to chill this for at least an hour before we turn it. I'm feeling the summer vacation vibes here. In the last few minutes, we'll add the coconut. This is creamy, fresh, and that pineapple really comes through without being icy. The full recipe is in the description. The reason we use allulose is because it helps keep the texture soft and scoopable straight from the freezer. It's also a great option for a low-carb, low-sugar lifestyle. Same taste, but does not have the same impact as sugar. You can use another sweetener or regular sugar instead. Use whatever works for you. And if you'd like to know how different sweeteners affect ice cream texture, I've got a simple guide you can grab with the QR code on the screen. If you like smarter versions of classic desserts, subscribe. I post new recipes every week.